Alright dudes, it's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to make this video. This is the 2019 Camry XSE. This is one of the newer looking Toyotas before the latest gen. Newest Camry silhouettes they've made, besides the newest one out now. My favorite Camry. 19-inch wheels, aggressive look. I love the paint, how it changes colors. V6, 300 horsepower. Now for me, besides how it looks on the outside, I love the integrated navigation. Push to start, looks very pretty when it comes on. All the luxuries, heated seats, leather everywhere, nice two-tone in here, very spacious, very comfortable. I love this car when I first seen it, first drove it. Very smooth, has a sportier feel, more lower to the ground. It's not like a 2004 Camry that I've driven before that feels very boaty. Sporty luxury sedan for sure, and 300 horsepower. You could put her in sport, rear camera, but just shifting the gears, it's very smooth. It does have CarPlay, and this year it has to be plugged in or wired. It does have it, you see the map. So yeah, there's CarPlay. And now let's get to the fun part of how she drives. So very smooth car, good transmission. This car you can drive and never get tired. Shift smooth, 8-speed transmission. Some of the cool things about this car is that it's a sedan, it's spacious, and I think it shares engines with some of the Lotuses out there, so that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get some acceleration here. It even has some noise to her. Sounds pretty aggressive. Yeah, that's actually pretty quick, and it does it without you knowing. Now it doesn't have the bigger brakes I think that the TRD would have, and I think not as wide as a tire width, but similar if not same horsepower. And that was, I think, some of the most acceleration you were gonna get there, because right at the end I was pedal to the floor there, and it kind of gasses out. A quick little stint here, 15 to 60, pedal to the metal. Not bad, and that shit sounds dope. Now it does have some nice features, like I said, the heated seats. It has a heads-up display. I don't know how good the camera picks that up. Shows you your PSI to the tire. Some cars don't have that. It has good acceleration. And you hear that, the transmission sounds. Oh, it has lane assist if you're into that, and they're all here, easy to use. Voice control with Siri and CarPlay, volume buttons on the steering wheel. That's great. Coming from these 90 cars, I don't have that, so that's everything for me. And see, that steering felt great there. The car feels planted well, and this is all stock. To this day, I can say this is my favorite Camry out, and one of the best cars rolling down the street right now. V6 in a Camry, that thing takes off. You guys have to stay tuned. I have more videos to come. Again, take a little exterior walk around as we kind of come to an end of the video. Very nice car, solid car, beautiful car. I will be making more videos, probably have this car go against the Civic and see how a V6 NA does against a turbo Civic, and maybe just have them side by side just so we can see how they look. But until next time guys, as always, thank you for watching. Take care and peace out.